Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So today's video is very interesting, how to use Google Lens. So in this video I'm going to share you how you can use Google Lens with easy steps. So let's jump into the video. First of all, like this video, subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon. Now go to your Chrome. Here you can see on a screen there is an option on here. This is the Google Lens. So first of all, you have to know that what is Google Lens. Google Lens is search engine by which using these lens you can easily track your any page, any translation, any photo, any video, by using which you can get information all over the world. So this is how Google Lens works. So first let's start to the video. Here you can see on a search and a translation there are two options. By using translation, if you have a page written, if you have any document written and you don't know the language, now here by using Google Lens you have to scan that, take the picture of that documents, and after taking picture you have to select language, from which language to which language you want to convert your documents. After this your language will be converted into that language and you can easily translate your documents and all thing. Now here you have to search. First of all, you have to search your languages, like if you want to English to English, if you want to search French language to English language and all that. Now get to the second option. The second option is about how you can scan an image. Here now I'm scanning an image. I'm scanning a mountains image. Now you can see this is a Mount Everest. I get all the information about that mountains and also get the related images about mountains. Here how Google Lens work. Hopefully guys you understand what I'm saying and like this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel. Now you can see I can get all the information about any topic, about any documents, any page from here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Stay tuned for the next video.